Hello, boys and girls. This week's home activity is based off of the book Polar Bear, What Do You Hear? So, what I want you to do is listen for some sounds that you will hear around the house. It may be a horn, it could be a train, it could be a dog, a cat, kids playing outside. It can also be someone sneezing. It could be the water running, the air conditioner. It could be clapping. It could be the television. It could be music. Whatever sounds you hear, write them down. I can hear the birds in the morning chirping. They wake me up early in the morning because they're outside of my window. So whatever it may be, listen for the sound, just like they did in the book, and let us know what you can hear. Have a good day, and I will see you later. Bye.